Hello everyone, welcome back to WAM's tutorial. Today in this video we are going to learn phonic sounds from A to Z. As we begin, here you can see beautiful pictures of all the letters with their images. You need to know one thing, you have to make the pictures very colorful. So let us start with letter A. Whenever you write any letter, please do not forget to mention both the letters. You need to write uppercase or and lowercase, capital A and small a. A says apple. So the sound of A is a, apple. B says ball, b, ball. C says k, cat, k, cat. D says d, drum, d, drum. E says egg. E says egg. F says fish, f, fish. G says grapes, g, grapes. H says hat, h, hat. I says ink or ice cream. J says jug, j, jug. K says kite, k, kite. L says lamp, l, lamp. M says mat, m, mat. N says net, n, net. O says octopus, orange, octopus. P says pencil, p, pencil. Q says quill, quill. R says rat, rat. S says sun, sun. T says ten, ten. U says umbrella, umbrella. V says van, van. W says watch, watch. X says okay, so the sound here is Xmas tree or xylophone. Okay, xylophone. Y says yellow, yellow. Z says z, the sound of a B. Z, zip, zip. So this is all about phonic sound.